Welcome to this 10-minute guided meditation for mental health and emotional well-being. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eye. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Allow yourself to settle into this moment. Begin by centering yourself with your breath. Inhale deeply, feeling your lungs expand. Hold for a moment and then exhale fully, releasing any tension or stress. Continue this deep rhythmic breathing, allowing each breath to bring you into a state of relaxation. Bring your awareness to your body. Notice any areas of tension and allow them to soften and relax. Start with your feet and slowly move your focus up to your legs, hips, abdomen, chest, arms, shoulders, neck, and head. With each breath, feel your body becoming more relaxed and grounded. Shift your focus to your emotional state. Notice any feelings or emotions that are present without judgment. Whether you feel calm, anxious, happy, or sad, acknowledge these emotions. Allow yourself to fully experience them, knowing that it's okay to feel whatever you're feeling. Imagine a warm, healing light surrounding you. This light represents peace, love, and healing energy. Visualize it gently entering your body with each inhale and spreading throughout your entire being. Feel this light soothing any areas of emotional pain or stress, bringing comfort and relief. Silently repeat these affirmations to yourself. I am worthy of love and care. I am strong and resilient. I am in control of my thoughts and emotions. I am at peace with myself. I am deserving of happiness and well-being. Allow these affirmations to resonate within you, reinforcing your mental and emotional strength. Focus on a sense of inner peace. Imagine a calm and serene place within your mind where you feel completely safe and at ease. Spend a few moments in this place, allowing yourself to fully embrace the tranquility and peace it offers. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Carry this sense of mental clarity and emotional well-being with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining this meditation.